Today, we will learn how to remove the Microsoft Authenticator from your Microsoft account. Start by accessing your account settings. Visit the Microsoft account website and log in. Navigate to the Security section. It's typically found on the left-hand menu. Once there, locate two-step verification. Click to expand and view your authentication methods. Find the Microsoft Authenticator listed among your methods, and click Remove. Confirm your choice. This step ensures you're intentionally making changes to your account. After confirmation, you'll receive a successful removal message. Your account is now updated. Remember, removing the authenticator means reevaluating how you secure your account. Consider installing other methods, like SMS or email verification, for added security. Stay informed about Microsoft account security updates. Regularly check for new features. For any issues, contact Microsoft support. They are there to help you sort out problems. And that's it. You successfully removed Microsoft Authenticator. Thank you for watching.